Hello and welcome. Esteban here with All-American Print Supply. In today's video, we'll be going over some of the different ways you may not be familiar with as far as getting the products, assistance, and service you deserve. Before we get started, if this is your first time on the YouTube channel, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. And while we're at it, tap that post notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome print-related content. And if you find any of our videos useful or helpful, be sure to drop a thumbs up or leave some comments in the question section below. Let's get started.
Let's start with the website, AAPrintSupplyCo.com. First of all, make sure that you register an account and are logged in at all times so you can accrue loyalty rewards points back on every dollar spent. Good on future purchases online. It's that easy. Simply make your purchases normal and watch the points build up. Click the AA rewards bubble on the lower left of your screen for any information on any page of the site. Please note, if your sales rep set up your account for you, simply use the same email to log in and select the reset password option. Boom, it's that easy. Finding products on our revamped website is a breeze with our convenient toolbar, which offers quick access options for our best-selling products, as well as categories to find just what you need at the click of a button. Here, you can also see our schedule of upcoming webinars, training sessions, trade shows, and more. Still need more help moving forward? Hit the support option to sign up for trainings, on-site demos, and even apply for financing. The chat function on the lower right of your screen can also quickly connect you to a friendly and knowledgeable representative. Also in that support option is the Contact Us link. Can't find what you're looking for? Need help making a product decision? Maybe you want to learn more about your options, or have questions regarding pickup delivery, or have questions regarding an existing order. This is where you want to click. The more information the better, as this will aid and assist in getting you the quickest resolution. And if you have a question more in the technical support range for your existing equipment or materials, you're still in the right place. Submitting tech tickets here helps keep the information organized for future reference so that any of our knowledgeable staff can assist you as quickly as possible. Let's talk about the Slack communication app. This tool is used in-house to streamline communication between employees, branches, departments, and more. Additionally, we have set up special channels for customers who purchase equipment, such as the Epson F2100, Epson F570, and more, where you can reach out 7 days a week, as well as review past issues that other customers may have had and see what the fix was. Reach out to your sales rep for more information on getting added to these. That's not the only tool we utilize here. For in-depth assistance, remote support, and settings help, we regularly will help our customers via Zoom meetings, screen shares, with programs such as AnyDesk and TeamViewer. Another resource is knowledge.AAPrintSupplyCo.com, which is a great outlet for information on the products, equipment, and the company. To make sure all of your correspondence reaches you in a timely fashion, be sure to add the following email addresses to your contact list so you're always up to date on the latest information. info@AAPrintSupplyCo.com, tech support at AAPrintSupplyCo.com, and sales at AAPrintSupplyCo.com. While you are able to opt in and out of some email transmissions, you want to make sure you're receiving important info, such as your order confirmations and any tech-related assistance. Looking for a quick way to order your essential inks and supplies? Drop us a text to 818-659-6634 and get your orders placed in no time.
And that's going to do it for today. From all of us here at All-American Print Supply, thank you so much for your business and your support. For more awesome videos like today, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and tap that post notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome print-related content. And if you found this video useful or helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you do have any questions, you can leave those in the comment section below. We'll get to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.